Hi Libra, welcome to Cosmic Wave. So this is going to be your message from universe reading. Remember, time is fluid, so it could be something happen in your past, present and future. Take whatever it resonates and leave the rest in behind. So let's see what is the blessing for Libra. Show me the blessings for Libra. Alright. For the blessings you have Ace of Cups. It's like a new beginning is showing up for you, full of love, joy, blessing, and abundance is coming for you. It can be a relationship, someone is approaching you, offering you this beautiful beginning in love, or it can be in something that you put all your love and your passion. We will clarify and see. For the supporting energy, you have 10 of Cups. So I feel a lot of love here. You have a lot of support from your family, from your friends, from your partner, from anyone around you, and offer you at the support that you need. So let's see what is the challenge for you. What is the challenge for you? Okay. For the challenge you have the Page of Pentacles. So you are ready to learn, ready to grow, ready to meet new experience. You are looking with curiosity, a little bit guarded and protected, but a lot of courage and heart open. You are trying to approach this new endeavor. Let's see what is your immediate future. Fool. One more. For the immediate future for Libra for the upcoming month is Two of Cups. What a beautiful message. It's like you are moving towards the new beginning with a new path with the lots of love and support. Look, Ace of Cups is here, Two of Cups is here. Beautiful reading. It's like a reunion with someone together in love with balance. Let's see. I will put here. Why this Ace of Cups for the blessing of Libra? Show me the Ace of Cups. Why this Ace of Cups is here? Show me the message. Okay. Ace of Swords. Ace of Cups clarified with the King of Swords, Page of Swords and the Six of Swords. Lots of swords. So I feel here that you are heading with someone who is very smart, quick mind and a very intelligent mind, who knows the truth and can see through confusion, can see through a lot of mental turmoil and has the truth of this. They have decided to move away from something to be with you, let go of their past that kept them blocked. They want to peace, they want to move to a calmer water and they are coming to you with the communication. Let's clarify the supportive energy. Why this Ten of Cups is here? Why this Ten of Cups is here? Okay. The Ten of Cups clarified with the Ace of Wands, Three of Wands and Page of Pentacles. So you are expanding this love that you feel around you and you're within yourself. The love from your close ones, from your family members, the supporters, and they know how to offer you, brings to you your self-power and your self-worth. I feel that you are learning to follow your passion either in a relationship or it can be that what you want to new opportunity, expand your horizon. You want to take new opportunities, you want to try some career changes, or maybe you want to develop something and build something for yourself. Maybe a hobby that you can turn into something which will bring you material abundance. You are following your passion, you are putting this energy into building and expanding yourself. Give me some oracle messages for the Libra. Give me some oracle messages. Yeah, this one. Give me some oracle messages. This too. Alright Libra, let's see. You deserve so much love. Do not settle for anyone who doesn't see your worth. Don't worry about your future. Everything is to be okay. I am sending messages through animals and nature. What a beautiful blessings is heading towards. What a beautiful message is for you for the upcoming month, Libra. So that's all for today, Libra. I hope it resonated to you. If it resonated to you, please subscribe my channel and hit the red bell icon right down below for the notification and updates. So see you then in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.